Hello everyone. So I prepared and posted a video on the new tourism and hospitality stream just few hours back. And as I was doing some research, as I was trying to create a video on how to fill up that form. So if you look at my last video, I had included a screenshot of how the new form looks or where the new form is located. As I was doing my research and I was trying to get you more details, I saw this. So if you now log into Alberta Advantage Immigration Program website and you see this, so within a few hours, the first phase of intake is over. So what does this mean? So if I go back to the original Alberta Advantage Program launch, there would be 500. It was said that there would be like close to 500 applications in the first intake, and that intake was done in day one. The full quota of first intake is full in day one, within day one, right? So that is quite a proof that this stream is going to be a hit and going to be really, really popular in days to come. So if you guys have are one of those 500 people or 500 initial applications that was done, congratulations. I just want to show you one more update before I go. So applications created but not yet completed will still be considered part of the first intake, which basically looks like if you have already started an application, that can still count towards your application. So if you have started your application, you have time to complete it, and then as and when you complete the application, your application should be accepted. So I think that is the critical update that I just wanted to show you here before before I go anywhere else. So yeah, that's a like great news for a few people, and for other people who were just waiting and kind of gathering information, I think that's hard luck to them, but I'm sure that it will open soon. So check back for second intake phase coming soon. It very clearly says that. So I'm sure the second intake is coming through soon. And I think what happened right now was basically, I like, this is again pure speculation. I think that most of the applications are these draft applications. Like people must have started those applications, and by evening today AIP saw that 500 out of those 500 initial intake, almost all of them have started application, and that's the reason it paused the intake. So if I go to the AIP portal again, I was trying to show you. If I go to AIP online portal again, and if you click on create new application, and if you go here, see tourism and hospitality stream is already grayed out. So yeah, this shows that there was a lot of pent up demand, and that's the reason this has happened. So great, like I have seen it like after a long time that there was so much pent up demand that it got filled in last like first few hours. So this launch came in afternoon. I think I checked the page in morning. There was nothing there, and then now it's not even the end of day, and all the intakes are done. So yeah, all the best to those people who were able to make it, and for others, just keep watching out for the next intake phase. Okay, so yeah, this was supposed to be a quick video. So yeah, and all the best to everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.